Are your stairs IBC compliant? ErectaStep's Premade Staircases are designed to exceed all IBC requirements and are ready to install.
ErectaStep Commercial Series prefabricated staircases are precision engineered and manufactured to provide the highest quality commercial stair in the industry. Our commercial stairs feature bolt-together construction. Because they're prefabricated, no welding is required. They're flat-packed to save on shipping costs. They feature durable powder-coated finishes in a variety of colors, uniform rises and runs, and serrated slip-resistant surfaces. Because it's fully compliant, designed to meet or exceed all international building codes related to metal staircase construction, ErectaStep is perfect for all applications: residential, commercial, and industrial. Commercial Premade Staircases provide a fast, complete solution for a wide variety of applications, from office buildings to storage mezzanines and residential. Our Premade Staircases are available in both aluminum and steel construction and finished with a durable powder coating available in a variety of colors. Our prefabricated commercial stairs include 8 and 12-foot options.
Give our experts a call and let us earn your business today.